folks, Kyle here, Dark 30 Outdoors. Well, hey, today it is Monday, April the 29th. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. Just getting started here at Buckeye Lake. Going to be going after saugeyes initially. If I can get a limit of saugeyes, then I may switch over to crappies and fish for them for a little while. The fishing, according to the reports, it's been hot and heavy. There's no wind right now, so that's a little bit of a limiting factor, but we are supposed to get a breeze as the morning goes along. I got sunburned Saturday at Salt Fork, so this bright skies, bright sun, I'll probably get more sunburned today, but what are you going to do? Anyway, I'm going to shut up and get to fishing. Hopefully today, bring you some fish. Boat flip. Right out of the gate, folks. First cast, a nice saugeye. I don't even have to measure that joker. We like that. He's going in the box. We like that. Saugeye number 3. Yes, in the box.
folks, that's gonna do it here at Buckeye Lake. I caught my limit of 6 saugeyes. Man, I tell you what, this wind just completely wrecked my sound for this trip closure. So I'll have to do it as a voiceover. Right here is the bait that I was using. This is a Big Joshy swim bait, the 2.75 size, and that is what they call the glow perch color. I started out with it on a 1/16 ounce lead head when I first got here, and there wasn't much wind. But once that wind picked up, I actually had to go to a 1/4 ounce lead head to keep the bait right there ticking the bottom. Even as shallow as I was fishing, like mostly 3, 4, 5 feet of water. But yeah, I had to use the 1/4 ounce weight to get the bait down. But that was working for me with the wind blowing into the riprap along the shore. You know, just position my boat in about 7.5, 8 foot of water and casting up into the shallows and bringing it back real slow. That was the ticket to get my limit of saugeyes. This has been a blast. I'm pretty pumped to have caught my limit out here for about 3 hours today. But this wind picked up and it's crazy. Boat control was crazy. I tell you what, I had a lot of fun, and as always, thanks for watching.